Hello and welcome back to KennyBlandAuctions.com. Today's video, here's another clock for you. Beautiful mahogany case. Reproduction clock. Has the moon dial. Beautiful piece. It's going to need some repair, and here's what I know about it. It comes to us from a large home on the east side of Bloomington. There's your three weights, the key, the winding key, and then one of the pieces that goes inside in here for the weights. And those weights would hang on these brass cables. This brass cable is broken, so that one needs to be replaced. Okay? I do not have a key for the case, but this is a beautiful clock. Stands just under 7 feet tall at the top of the finial up there. This is lot number 73 in our online auction for Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. Beautiful clock. Thank you very much.